G'day, my name's Chris, and if you're new to YouTube or you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, what do you need to do to grow it? Well, I'm going to do my annual retrospective, which I'm sharing with Patreon, YouTube members, and you guys publicly. What do they teach you? What can you learn from them? And what, importantly, will you do differently in 2023? In 2022, I finally surpassed 10,000 subscribers and met some of my goals for the year, but failed miserably on others. Now, find out which ones made a difference and why soon. This year, I made 196 videos, which thankfully was a wee bit down on 2021, where I made 216 videos. But what the public saw was 106 of them, with a ratio almost 2 to 1 for Patreon, and well, late this year we introduced YouTube memberships. When I did my 2021 retrospective, I promised myself that I'd only do 50 public videos, and so definitely failed there. At least my decision to stop doing weekly news shows was the right one, because as you can see here, my highest and lowest performing videos of 2022 generally did not involve news. Rather, things like an accessory for your car, BYD, Kia, Polestar, Tesla, these all get clicks. And these top 5 videos alone achieved nearly a third of my total view count for the year, meaning the average view per video worked out to be a bit over 1,000 views. That's almost double of 2021, so well done me. That sadly means that the bottom performing 39 videos, that is ones that fell beneath 1,000 views, just didn't perform. Why is that? What does it mean? Looking at them, they're a mixed bag, I think, of relevant, on-topic things that I think people do care for, or maybe they didn't, maybe the timing was poor, and I think they could do better, so I'll try giving them new life with like maybe a new thumbnail, title, tags, category check. All very important things, because YouTube is not only just a video tool, it's actually a search engine. And if you haven't got those things right, people just won't find your content. Across the year, all of my videos, that is like from day 1 till now, were seen in 2022 more than 458,000 times. That's more than 100,000 up on last year. And importantly, of the 106 that were public, that constituted more than 300,000 views for the year, which is again more than double what the channel achieved last year's. Viewers were mainly non-subscribed, with only about 11% being subscribers, and viewership was predominantly Australian, US, that's basically a third each, and then Europe and some other countries. Those who discovered my content came to a video by YouTube search, which shows the power of good tags and good looking thumbnails. Next were from either random stumbles on the homepage, sidebar, or end cards, and external links was pretty impressive. Then suggested, and finally shorts with 16,000 click-throughs. Oh, and PS, if you want views and potentially subscribers, do shorts. Of the 27 that I did in 2022, they got more than 37,000 views, which is damn impressive, and they're easy to pump out, and well, up till now they haven't paid any money whatsoever, but YouTube is changing that in 2023, so I'll definitely be doing more shorts. In the last year, my channel surpassed 1.8 million watch minutes, which equates to more than 32,000 watch hours. And from all these numbers, there are definitely some lessons here, and more changes coming again. My plans for 2023 are this. First, I'm going to continue cleaning up my channel and moving my old videos to this other channel, which I really need to set up, seriously. It's this one here is called electricchrisau for a reason. And if you don't stay on topic, let's say, like, take me as an example. I used to make videos about vlogs and travel and flights and accommodation and cruising. Things I still like, mind you, but if you're subscribed here, you're like, well, what is it, Chris? Are you doing that? Are you doing, electric car stuff and, things around renewables? So I'm going to be sticking to that. I'll do more public videos with perhaps one live stream a week and one polished high quality video also. And where needed, I'm going to definitely do more shorts. I'll go back to basics. There are actually new EV owners out there right now who need help with their new electric car. And remembering, to date in Australia, we only had like 2-3% of all new cars in Australia are electric, so we're just starting out here. So I need to go back and talk to things like battery management, charging basics, how to work out range in your electric vehicle, that sort of stuff. And I'll be doing more about, well, option videos. That is to say, comparing one to another. What are your options in this space? They also do relatively well in this domain that I cover. Of course, there'll be more Tesla videos because they rate well, and a healthy dose, a healthy injection of clickbait titles, as again, if you've got good-looking, intriguing thumbnails, they get views. I'll be focusing on my High Court challenge in February, attending Fully Charged Live in March, and I'm thinking that the ratio now, I need to flip it around and do less Patreon videos and less, YouTube member videos, and do more public ones. So if you are a YouTube member or Patreon, let me know. I'd like to hear from you, because you guys helped me grow and get to the point where I am right now, and this transition, this learning, it seems to be taking off. So I really do appreciate your support, and I'm not saying we're stopping that. I think there's still stuff to do in that space, just I need to focus more on the public stuff. So yeah, stuff. Sorry. Anyway, if you have been a subscriber, if you've watched my videos, if you've commented, if you've liked, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. A big special thank you to my long Patreons. Some of those guys have been supporting me for years, and I really do appreciate it. And my new guys over on YouTube members, like Gaffer, thank you so much. Really do appreciate it. So 2023, here we go. Let's do this.